Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Samsung 32GB DDR5 4800MHz SODIMM, a memory module designed to breathe new life into your laptop. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, long loading times, or just want to future-proof your machine, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. This particular module, the M425R4G3B CQK, is a single 32GB stick of DDR5 SODIMM RAM. That SODIMM designation is key, as it means it's specifically designed for laptops and other small form factor computers. It operates at a speedy 4800 MHz, which translates to PC 5-38400, also sometimes referred to as PC 5-4800B. This high speed allows for faster data transfer rates, leading to snappier application loading and improved overall system responsiveness. It's a 2RX8 or dual-rank module. Dual-rank memory can often offer a slight performance advantage over single-rank modules, as it allows the memory controller to access more data in parallel. It's also an ONECC unbuffered memory, which is a standard for most laptops. The module adheres to the JEDEC DDR5 standard, operating at a low voltage of 1.1 V. This is important for laptop users, as lower voltage translates to less power consumption and potentially longer battery life. Installing RAM is generally a straightforward process, but always consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions. Make sure your laptop is compatible with DDR5 SODIMM memory before purchasing. The benefits of upgrading to 32GB of RAM are numerous. For content creators, this means smoother video editing, faster rendering times, and the ability to work with larger files without experiencing lag. Gamers will appreciate the increased frame rates and reduced stuttering, especially in demanding titles. And for everyday users, 32GB of RAM provides ample headroom for multitasking, running multiple applications simultaneously, and keeping numerous browser tabs open without slowing down your system. Samsung is a well-respected name in the memory industry, known for producing high-quality and reliable components. This DDR5 SODIMM is no exception. It's built to exacting standards and rigorously tested to ensure optimal performance and stability. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost your laptop's performance, the Samsung 32GB DDR5 4800MHz SODIMM is definitely worth considering. It's a relatively affordable upgrade that can make a noticeable difference in your everyday computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.